Hello and welcome. Today I will be trying this Electrolux twin turbo electronic deluxe, model number Z561. So just plug it in and see what happens. Seems to work. I think you can do the new belt on it and a bit of service. It does seem to be working. Let's try and start. It is actually quite clean. Remember rightly, there should be a sponge on the top there. Probably have to make something to fit that. And underneath. In all, it's actually in quite good condition considering its age. Thank you for watching my video. If you've liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.